ये वाले
जी
ये जो अभी आपको दिखाए थे ये
जी
इसी से रेफर कर दे तो
इससे भी हो सकता है जनाब, बट आई हैव हाईलाइटेड इन माय कॉपी, दैट इज द इशू.
नहीं आप अपनी कॉपी से रेफर करते जाइए, डॉक्यूमेंट आप अपनी कॉपी से पढ़िए,
ओके,
रेफर इससे कर दीजिए।
ठीक. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू माय लॉर्ड टू टेक माय स्पाइरल व्हिच आई हैव फाइल्ड along with my exhibits and defendants exhibits, my lord.
देख दीजिए स्पाइरल कहाँ है? हाँ? नहीं ये तो लिस्ट हो गई, आपने कोई स्पाइरल कंपाइलेशन दिया है वो?
Yes, my lord. That has the complete set of
हाँ
documents.
ठीक है कहाँ है वो? हाँ? क्या बोल रहे? ये तो नहीं है, ब्राउन वाले में क्या है दिखाओ। ये अरे भाई ब्राउन इस फाइल में क्या है? ये दिखाइए साहब को, यही तो है मेरे ख्याल से, देखिए।
ये साहब का है शायद में, ये तो डिपेंडेंट साहब का, एक हरे साहब का है, ऐसे मेरा भी ये डिपेंडेंट है, इसको भी रख लीजिएगा बाहर।
ये दीजिएगा, उसको दीजिएगा, उसमें सब फ्लैग वगैरह लगा रखे हैं मैंने।
हाँ,
नोट्स कहाँ है मेरे? नोट्स
mine is not in cover as stated by him.
फाइल में मेरे नोट्स भी होंगे। आपके पास एक स्पेयर कॉपी है क्या प्लीज?
मैं साहब की लेके दे देता हूँ, ये मेरी वाली रिटेंशन ऑफिसर की कॉपी दे देंगे फॉरन में। ये टैग कर दीजिएगा, ये पूरा सेट इसको टैग कर दो,
चेक कर दीजिए।
वो शायद बीच में से हट गया।
या अगर आप उचित समझें तो ये इससे खरे साहब के जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं ये वाले,
जी
ये जो अभी आपको दिखाए थे ये
जी
इसी से रेफर कर दे तो
इससे भी हो सकता है जनाब, बट आई हैव हाईलाइटेड इन माय कॉपी, दैट इज द इशू.
नहीं आप अपनी कॉपी से रेफर करते जाइए, डॉक्यूमेंट आप अपनी कॉपी से पढ़िए,
ओके,
रेफर इससे कर दीजिए,
ठीक है.
तो मेरे को भी आसानी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मैं पिछली बार वो था नहीं ना आपका कंपाइलेशन।
नहीं, दैट वाज देयर इन रिकॉर्ड, माइन वाज देयर इन रिकॉर्ड लॉर्ड.
अच्छा एक सेकंड दिखाइएगा साहब को, ये पीछे तो नहीं रखा? एक सेकंड,
माइन वाज ऑन रिकॉर्ड.
ये वाली फाइल, यही वाली फाइल उठाइए। अरे भाई इसके नीचे सेकंड यही वाली इधर दीजिए, ये फाइल दीजिए। ये क्या है? ये क्या है नीचे? ये क्या है? ये किसने फाइल किया है?
यही होगा शायद,
दिनेश चोपड़ा, यही होगा, दिखाइए यही है क्या?
हाँ
दिखाइए साहब को, दिखाइए
हाँ
पहले।
ये हाँ यही
लाइक दीजिए।
दैट इज. My lord, just to refresh mine and my lord's memory, my lord,
जी
I would request to my lord kindly have kindly come to the page, come to page my lord 16 for a moment.
64
No, only 16 of this spiral.
16
1/6, my lord.
यस।
In brief, my lord, this is the case that H.H. Chopra entered into an agreement with Sardari Begum to
वो याद है मुझे, वो पूरा याद।
just to brief it, my lord, for to enter to an agreement.
इनका एक एग्रीमेंट था, कोर्ट से डिक्री हुई, डिक्री के बाद में जब सेल डीड कराने गए तो एचआर चोपड़ा साहब ने अपने भाई एसएन चोपड़ा को ऑथराइज किया, उन्होंने जाकर अपने नाम से रजिस्ट्री करा ली। ये आपका एलिगेशन है, ठीक है ना?
Only in one line they have got added, my lord.
जी हाँ, दे गॉट एडेड देयर नेम।
Name, yeah.
आप एचआर चोपड़ा के साथ साथ एचएन चोपड़ा के नाम से भी
जाने
जाते थे, और एचएन चोपड़ा को उन्होंने एसएन कर लिया।
Yes, my lord.
ये आपका एलिगेशन है।
Yes, my lord.
और उसी के ऊपर से आपका कहना है कि सेल डीड में भी मैनिपुलेशन हुआ है।
Yes, my lord.
ठीक है, ये दिस इज योर एंड
Crux of the argument.
क्रक्स ऑफ द आर्गुमेंट यही था। दूसरा आपका आर्गुमेंट ये था कि श्री एसएन चोपड़ा जो है वो तो एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट में काम करते थे, 90 रुपए उन्हें
हाँ।
तनख्वाह मिलती थी।
He was not capable to
He
buy
was
this
not
property.
capable to buy that plot, जिसके लिए शायद 7,500 रुपए कितना रुपए का
Balance
कंसिडरेशन था।
Definitely.
है?
And he was having a long family, 7 brother and sister and 9. So there were 9 family members dependent on S.N. Chopra. So he was not in position to purchase this property. Whereas H.R. Chopra was a government contractor, and he was capable to purchase.
ये इतना
That was
मुझे याद है।
Yes, my lord. So why I'm my lord? since my lord, the agreement was done in 1956, my lord,
Yes.
between H.R. Chopra and Sardari Begum, my lord. When Sardari Begum failed to execute the sale deed, H.R. Chopra approached to the honorable court.
सूट फॉर स्पेशल
Yes, ma'am.
परफॉर्मेंस हुआ वो डिक्री
Now,
का
my lord,
क्या-
kindly have a look for a moment, my lord.
जी
What my argument is, my lord.
जी
Page 20, if my lord would see, this is the copy kept in office of registrar. Page 20, my lord.
पेज 20 यस
And my lord, page 20 for my lord convenience, my lord, it is Hindi type, my lord.
यस
So what my request is, my lord,
हिंदी टाइप कहाँ पर है
page 23, my lord,
हाँ, पढ़िएगा
Hindi type.
हाँ, क्या बता
Now, my lord, what I'm arguing is, my lord, in any law, my lords, any document which is exhibited in evidence, my lord, can it be read in part? And if it can be read in part, my lord, then I am out of the court, my lords. And if it is not, the law is very settled on this point, then every document has to be read in totality, my lords. So the London trial court, while deciding this case, my lord, has not considered this aspect ki whether any document has to be read in totality or in part, my lords.
जी
So far as this document is concerned, my lords, on which the opposite party is also relying, my lords,
जी
my name has been mentioned in 5 times, my lords.
जी
And if my lord may read the 5 times, your honor is aware about it,
जी
in which she has categorically stated
जी
that I have not done any agreement with anybody except H.R. Chopra, my lord.
जी जी
Kindly have a look for a moment.
जी
The 6th line below, my lords. मकान मजकूर का सौदा, your honor got it.
हाँ देख लिया
H.R. चोपड़ा से किया, उनके अलावा मकान किसी और को रहन व बख्शीश वगैरह नहीं किया है, न ऐसे करने का किसी से जबानी व तहरीरी सौदा किया है. So far as the case of the respondent is more herein, they say the H.R. Chopra was not capable to give the balance and he authorized his brother to you please make the balance and get registered in his name, Lord. So the story of the defendant is totally falsified if my lord consider this legal aspect कि whether document has to be read in part and parcel or in totality, my lords, which is the exhibit document proved by the plaintiff there in trial court, my lord. Now, my lord, this is my one argument, my lord. So trial court did not consider this aspect कि from reading one line you cannot decide the entire narration of the document, my lord.
yes.
And especially when, my lords, the document they were having, they added it N before S, my lord. But the registrar office, my lord, there is only N written, my lord.
हाँ
If my lord would see for a moment the original page 20.
यस एन लिखा है वो देख लिया वो
Yes, my lord. Now, what their argument is,
जी
they say कि inside it is written S.N. Chopra, S.N. Chopra.
साइड में ऐसे जो
Yes, my lord. So why it is written?
एक मिनट के लिए पॉज करिएगा आपका ये आर्गुमेंट अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लिया जाता है पूरी तरीके से तो आपको यह बताना पड़ेगा कि आपके वालिद साहब जो हैं वो एच.एन. चोपड़ा लिखते थे वो कहाँ से मालूम पड़ेगा
ये your honor,
नहीं एक मिनट के लिए
yes, that has come in evidence.
हाँ बताइएगा whose evidence there must be a documentary evidence saying because there can be only one name you are appearing before this court I know you as Mr. K.K. Sharma
Yes, my lord.
now if you are known as K.N. Sharma also then you will have to don't stress the context beyond it
Yes,
you will have to show me from some documentary evidence that there exists a document to show that I am also known as K.N. Sharma apart from K.K. Sharma.
I concede this fact, my lord, that I have not been able to give any documents in trial to say that there was two names with the documentary evidence that HR and HN in one person.
Yes.
But
जी
the real son of S.N. Chopra, my lord,
जी
and he is the elder brother of respondent number 2 and 3, my lords.
जी
In his evidence has categorically stated,
हाँ वो तो ठीक है that I have taken note
yes, my lord.
that
So-
note I have taken that one of the sons of Shri S.N. Chopra
Yes, Avinash Chopra has categorically come.
categorically stated that this property
His chacha
belonged
was
to
known with HN or HR or HN.
H.N. Chopra and that property was of Shri H.R. Chopra or H.N. Chopra. This he has said that I have noted.
Yes, my lord.
That I have noted.
Yes, my lord. My lord, since now, my lord, kindly have a look for a moment again, then, my lord.
जी
Page 16 for a moment.
page 16 yes
16,
1/6 ना
1/6, my lord. This is the original suit in which the compromise deed was passed, my lord.
Yes.
If my lord would see the title, my lords.
जी.
Title is Shri H.R. Chopra, aged 36 years, son of Devidyal Chopra, contractor, my lord.
जी.
So here the suit has been filed in the name of H.R. Chopra, my lord.
Yes.
Now, if my lord would come on page 20 again for a moment,
Yes.
then and then what the entire story, entire narration is about H.R. Chopra, my
H.R.
lord.
Chopra. Yes.
So what I am saying is, since this degree was binding upon only on the two person, that is one Sardari Begum and H.R. Chopra, then the third person cannot be entered into lords without having any cogent documentary evidence, my lord. And my lord has to
Just
decide
a-
this dispute only.
Name. Just a minute.
शंकर बोर्ड में भी अच्छा है 31/1/2000
जी.
So, my lord, what my argument is, since it was binding
समझ गया
upon,
आपका argument.
जी,
That since the
it was binding upon two person.
agreement was between H.R. Chopra and Sadari Begum.
Begum, yes, my lord.
Decree is between H.R. Chopra and Sadari Begum.
And there was a specific direction of the court that Sardari Begum will execute the sale deed in favor of H.R. Chopra.
H.R. Chopra.
Yes, ma'am. So it was binding upon them, Lord.
Yes.
So far as my evidence, which I have brought on record in trial court, is more cogent, more admissible in law, my lords. Whereas the evidence produced by the defendant does not have any evidentiary value, my lords.
जी.
Now, my lord, kindly this fact. Now, my lord, this argument is clear. The only one binding upon the both of the party. That is why the on the other part of the body, H.R. Chopra is written. She has categorically stated that I have not done any agreement with except H.R. Chopra with anyone, my lord.
जी.
I have read for my lord the Hindi type version, my lord.
जी.
Now, my lord, kindly have a look. Page 25.
Page 25.
Yeah, this is exhibit P3, my lords.
Yes.
In which, my lord, they have did S, my lord. This document was in possession of them, my lords.
What is this document?
This is also a registry, my lord. This is the copy they have got at the time of registry, my lord. And the P which I have shown, my lords. P2 is the copy which is kept in registrar office, my lord. P3 is the copy which is in possession of the respondent, my lords.
जी.
The copy which were in their possession, they have entered S before it, my lord.
जी. जी.
And this is apparent, my lord. Since the registrar office record only say N, my lord, they have entered in N, my lords.
Yes.
S1, my lord. Now, my lord. And so far as the name is concerned, Lord, S.N. Chopra, why it is coming on the side of it? My argument is what?
You said that he was
He purchased the, he authorized and he was authorized to purchase the stamp paper.
stamp paper.
The side is of who has purchased these paper is S.N. Chopra.
ये ऐसा.
I am not disputing this.
जी. 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 जी.
Next, my lord.
जी.
If my lord would see page 29 for a moment.
Yes.
28 for a moment, sorry.
जी. जी.
This is a my lord text receipt where H.N. Chopra, Pita Devi Dayal is clearly written, my lords.
जी.
Now, my lord, well, my lord, I have stated this is false and fabricated. Now, my lord, one more argument which is very, very strong here in my lords. The page 33 for a moment.
Yes.
Page 33, my lords.
Yes.
This is the degree where Naresh Chopra here in respond number 2 filed a case against the respondent number 1 herein to evict the premises as he was tenant as per him, my lords.
Yes, yes.
Now, my lords, what
This,
kindly
this Avinash Chand Chopra is your approver.
can't say,
Kind of.
he supported my version.
हाँ.
My lord, what my argument is,
जी,
since this suit was filed in 2000, my lord,
जी.
if my lord would see page 33 for a moment, the date of filing is 7 September 2000.
Yes.
And date of decision is, my lord would see the nirnay, my lord, 31st January 2009.
Fine. Yes.
This order was challenged by Naresh Chopra in appellate court,
जी.
and that was remanded back in 2019. My lords, kindly have a look, kindly have note the date, 30th January 2000, sorry, 20th 5th April 2019.
नहीं, एक मिनट के लिए इसको अगर सही रिकैप कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
ये सूट था इविक्शन के लिए. नरेश चंद चोपड़ा एंड श्रीमती रीता चोपड़ा फाइल्ड अ सूट अगेंस्ट
अविनाश चोपड़ा
फॉर इविक्शन.
they are real brother. Yes.
तो मालूम है. That suit was dismissed for eviction. As far as eviction is concerned, that suit was dismissed.
Dismiss.
हाँ, ठीक है, इतना ही था ना इसका फैक्ट.
हाँ, suit, no, my lord, one more thing, Lord.
जी.
The suit was dismissed for eviction, and my lord, there was issue was made कि whether SN Chopra was owner of this property, and that issue was dealt in detail and came to the conclusion, yes, that Naresh Chopra has been failed to prove that SN Chopra was the owner of this property, my lord. For one more reason, my lord, why I am citing this case.
जी.
This case was decided in 2009, my lord.
Yes.
Naresh Chopra filed an appeal against this order.
Yes.
That was decided in 25th April 2019. Kindly note the date, not for a moment.
एक सेकंड. सूट फॉर इविक्शन filed by Naresh Chandra on 7/9/2000.
My lord, got it?
Just a minute. जी.
My lord, got it?
हाँ जी.
This, they filed an appeal which was decided on 25th April 2019, my lord.
Yes.
Whereas, my lord,
अपील का ऑर्डर कहाँ है?
in appeal they have remanded back, my lord, which is under challenge before my lord is in MA, my lord.
जी.
I'm just giving reference of it, my lord.
जी.
Since it was decided, it was the order of 30th January 2009 was set aside on 25th April 2019 and remanded back to reconsider, my lords, after few directions, my lord.
जी.
Now the present case in FA, my lord, was filed by me in 2001.
जी.
Suit for eviction and possession, my lord.
जी.
In 2001, by me, my mother Swarna Devi, who is died during the pendency of this
जी.
case, my lord, against Avinash, Naresh, and my lord, all the respondent, my lord.
जी.
That was decided on 8th February 2017, my lord.
जी.
So,
क्या आपके पक्ष में डिक्री हुई है वो?
नहीं, my lord. What I'm arguing is, my lord,
नहीं, पहले उसकी डेट बता दीजिए। ये अपील जो हुई,
it was against me, my lord. It was dismissed on the ground.
in 2019।
No, my lord.
नहीं, उसके खिलाफ your mother, that is
Swarna Devi, my lord, filed a suit for eviction and possession in 2001, my lord, and was decided against me on 8th February 2017, my lord. On the last date of hearing, my lord has questioned me if this evidence cannot be read and this was set aside. The exhibit P6. Why am
ये अपील उसी ऑर्डर के खिलाफ तो है।
यहाँ पे है जनाब जो what I'm arguing is, my lord, since this order was set aside on 25th April 2019 and prior to this on
25th 4/17 का ऑर्डर है ना ये?
नहीं 19 का है, my
वो
lord.
तो ऊपर वाला हो गया ऑर्डर
जी
जो
मेरा 28 फरवरी 2017 का है जनाब.
28 फरवरी 2017। जी
So what I'm arguing is, my lord,
जी
I have placed this degree judgment in my evidence as exhibit P6, my lord.
राइट
Till then, this was in existence
राइट
because this was under challenge, but no judicial order was passed. So the trial court, while deciding my case, has to consider this exhibit. There was no stay. That was in existence, my lord.
ओके
It was set aside in 2019.
जी
Though my case was decided in 2017, my lord.
नहीं
And in this judgment, my lord, the trial court has categorically issues frame in regard of the who is the owner of the property, my lord.
जी
Kindly have a look for a moment, my lord.
एक सेकंड रुक जाइएगा,
Page 36.
जस्ट अ मिनट। जी
Lord, kindly have a look, page 35. If my lord would see 36,
36 years
on the left side, my lord, these are the issues which were framed during deciding this case, my lord.
out।
If my lord would read the first issue, my lord, वाद प्रश्न, क्या वादग्रस्त भवन, this is the suit property,
जी
स्वर्गीय एसएन चोपड़ा के एकमेव सप्तत्व का था,
जी
प्रमाणित नहीं. दूसरा मिलॉर्ड, क्या स्वर्गीय एसएन चोपड़ा ने विधिवत वसीयत 13/10/99 निष्पादित की, प्रमाणित थी. Why I'm arguing this, मिलॉर्ड, these issues, there were two cases parallel pending in a same court, मिलॉर्ड, जबलपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, मिलॉर्ड. They were running parallelly, मिलॉर्ड. The one court had decided this factum by having a cogent evidence on record and had applied judicial mind and find that Naresh Chopra does not have any document to show that his father was the owner of this property, that is Mr. S.N. Chopra, my lord,
यस
and decided this suit, my lord,
जी
dismissed this suit, my lord.
हाँ
Now, my lord, this is one fact, my lord.
जी
And Lord, now one more my argument is,
जी
can anyone be allowed
जी
to lead evidence beyond pleadings, my lord?
जी
Can anyone be allowed to lead evidence beyond their pleadings, my lord?
जी
Now kindly have a look for a moment.
जी
76 Lord. Page 76 of my spiral.
यस जी
My Lord got it.
जी
77 Lord.
जी
This is the written statement
जी
filed by respondent here in 2 and 3.
हाँ,
And in entire WS, my Lord, they have not annexed a single document along with it.
जी
Not even a single document,
जी
nor a word about it, my Lord.
जी
Neither they award nor annex, my Lord.
जी
And kindly note the date of filing of this WS, my Lord.
जी 12
My Lord.
19,
The
11,
suit was filed in 2001,
जी
and the WS on behalf of 2 and 3 was filed after the gap of around 11 years, my Lord,
जी
2012, my Lord.
जी
And there is no annexure. Mr. Khare is here, my London senior friend. There was no annexure along with this WS on which they were relying, and there was no averment also, my Lord.
जी
Now, my Lord, all of a sudden, then thereafter, my Lord, they filed their evidence, which is page 84, my Lord.
84 जी
On the last date of hearing also, my Lord, I argued it.
जी
When Naresh Chopra lost the case eviction suit against the Avinash in 2009, my Lord,
जी
and the parallel proceedings were also going, which was filed by Swarna Devi against Naresh and Avinash, my Lord. Then they thought to win a case with Swarna Devi, we need to create some documents, my Lord.
जी
It is for the reason, neither in their WS, my Lord, neither in their evidence,
जी
in chief examination, my Lord. Kindly have a look, page 84 for a moment.
हाँ 84 यस
My Lord would read the entire evidence. There is no exhibit along with this evidence, my Lord.
जी
No document.
जी
Then what has happened, my Lord?
नहीं ये तो 18/4 का शपथ पत्र है
Yes, my Lord.
उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो अलग से एग्जिबिट होते हैं नोटशीट में
वो नहीं, मैं आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू लॉर्ड, ये 16/6/2015 को उन्होंने एविडेंस फाइल किया.
पेज 87 पर आइएगा
यस my lord. इसकी डेट है, देखें my lord, आई एम कमिंग टू इट.
नहीं डेट पे बाद में आएंगे देखिए
आई एम कमिंग टू my lord's query only, my lord.
if trial court allowed the parties to extend the period of limitation of filing WS and no objection was taken or an application was not moved to close their right, that's a different issue.
That is it.
I'll not
Yes,
dwell
I'm
into
not even saying so, my lord.
first appeal में मैं ये सब नहीं करूंगा.
Just
First
what I'm
appeal
arguing
में
is, my lord.
जो सब्सटेंशियल जो जो क्वेश्चन ऑफ इश्यूज जो हैं उनके ऊपर क्या एविडेंस आई है वो देखूंगा.
Definitely. जो ये शपथ पत्र है, my lord.
जी
What I am arguing is, my lord,
जी
it was filed on 16/6/2015.
जी
Thereafter, my lord, after the gap of around 1 year, cross examination was done on 1st July 2016, my lord.
यस
In the between, my lord, between 2015 and 16, my lord, they moved an application to placing the additional documents. Same was allowed with the subject to cost of 2000, my lord.
7/14 की एप्लीकेशन लगाई होगी ना, ऑर्डर 7/14
हाँ.
लगाई होगी ना.
अब वो अलाउ हो गई subject to 2000. Subject to cost of, तो why what I am arguing is, my lord, they were not having any document.
शर्मा जी आप सही लाइन लेंथ में जाते जाते बाउंसर फेंकने लगे.
नहीं, बाउंसर नहीं फेंक रहा मैं. What I am trying to say is, my lord, the document they have filed has all been created, my lord.
हाँ ठीक है बस
So just to come into the conclusion, these dates are very important, my lord.
नहीं वो ठीक है. आइएगा पेज 87 पे आइएगा.
It is, my lord, for a moment, my lord.
डिड यू प्लीज देखिए क्योंकि आपने मैं तो आपको इंटरप्ट कर ही नहीं रहा था.
जी.
आई वाज हियरिंग योर आर्गुमेंट्स विद पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस. ठीक है आपने क्योंकि ये इशू उठाया तो अब ये सारी स्टेज गुजर चुकी है.
That is there.
अगर इन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट साथ में फाइल नहीं किए थे जवाब दावे के तब आपको राइट था कि वो
Definitely, my lord.
जब 7/14 फाइल करी तब आपको राइट था.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है कि
मैं
यहाँ
उसके लिए डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं एक सेकंड में इसीलिए रिक्वेस्ट करो. अब इशू आपने कहा कि इन्होंने दस्तावेज क्रिएट किए.
जी.
अब इनका क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में बताइए कहाँ सजेशन दिया गया है आपके द्वारा.
ये तो मैंने बोला कूटरचित है, my lord.
कूटरचित है कहाँ बोला आपने सजेशन दिया. क्योंकि व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग सो मच ऑफ एम्फेसिस आपका अभी तक का आर्गुमेंट बिल्कुल ठीक चल रहा था कि भाई दो लोगों के बीच में प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था.
ये मैंने अपनी एविडेंस में बोला हुआ है कि इनके कूटरचित डॉक्यूमेंट्स
नहीं अपनी एविडेंस में नहीं. आप जानते हैं आप सिविल के इतने अच्छे लॉयर हैं कि जब
मैं उसको भी सेटिस्फाई करूंगा जनाब की क्वेरी को।
जब जब
दैट हैज कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड।
हाँ, जब जब डिफेंडेंट जो है वो एग्जिबिट कर रहा है डॉक्यूमेंट्स को अपने एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ में, तब क्रॉस में आप पूछेंगे कि फलाना डॉक्यूमेंट फलाना
आई
फलाना,
नो दिस।
यस, वो पूछिएगा, वो बताइएगा, उतना बताइएगा,
ठीक है
फिर
जनाब,
आगे बढ़ते हैं।
आई विल सेटिस्फाई माय लॉर्ड्स क्वेरी
जी
टू दैट एक्सटेंट।
जी
नाउ माय लॉर्ड काइंडली now I come to the their documents, my lord.
एक मिनट रुक जाइएगा।
That is on page 90 D1.
जी
Now, my lord, I would request to come on page 90, my lords.
जी
90 is the documents.
जी
This is the document which has been exhibited by the defendant, my lords,
जी
as D1, my lords, by DW2 as D1, my lord,
Yes.
by Naresh Chopra, my lord.
यस
On the last day of hearing, my lords, I argued on this, my lord said ki I have not studied in convent, but I write cursive language, my lord. So this documents pertain to date 13th July 65, my lords.
यस
It is in cursive language, my lords.
जी
That documents create doubt as it has not been proved by any of the witness, my lord.
जी
Neither by Sardari Begum nor with Inspector Ahmed, the husband of Sardari Begum, my lord.
जी
Or more importantly, my lord, since this document has come on record
जी
by the Naresh Chopra, my lord,
जी
in cross-examination, he denied to identify the signature of this document, my lord. So trial court relying on this document is bad in law, my lord. Kindly have a look for a moment the Naresh Chopra's, my lord, cross-examination. To that effect, my lord.
जी बताइएगा।
Page 89 for a moment.
एक सेकंड।
It is the duty of witness to identify the signature.
बताइए बताइए।
The page 89, my lord.
पेज 89 यस
Para 24.
पढ़िए।
मैं नहीं बता सकता
जी
एग्जिबिट D1 के आवेदन पत्र पर A से A व B से B भाग में किसके हस्ताक्षर है?
हाँ, जी
If he is not able to identify, that is D1 only, my lord, the page 90.
जी
If he is not able to identify the signatures on the document, my lord,
जी
can it be relied?
जी
And it has been exhibited by him only.
जी
And for one more reason, my lord.
जी
This document pertained to 13 July 65, my lord.
जी
Whereas sale deed took place in 59, my lord.
यस
So, what was the need to write this letter to the authorities, my lord, when if for the sake of argument it is taken true, the property stand in their name, my lord.
आप
What was the need of it?
आप रेट की बहस में जाने लगे।
Sorry, my lord.
फर्स्ट अपील में ही चलने दो अभी इसको।
This document is false and fabricated as it has not been identified by the witness also, my
Witness
lord.
also.
It cannot be relied.
यस
Now, my lord, kindly have a look, page 92.
जी
On the last date of a hearing, my lords,
जी
my learned senior friend was reading this document pertain to 65-66. If my lord would see,
जी
92.
92 यस
On the last date of hearing,
जी
my learned senior friend was reading this document pertain to year 95, sorry, 65, 66, my lord.
जी।
Whereas this document, this is written in Hindi, my lord.
जी
This is 9, not 6.
95 96 हो
Yes, my
जाएगा।
lord.
ठीक है
What my learned senior friend was reading is 96 or 9,
चलिए,
65, 66.
आपकी बात मान ली 95 96 पढ़ लेते हैं इसको।
Yes, my lord, for a moment.
जी
There is no dispute that this pertain to 95, 96. Though my friend was reading 65, 66. my lord.
नहीं तो फिर 95 एक सेकंड, अगर इसको हम 9 पढ़ेंगे
जी
95 तो उसके बाद जो पे 99 हो जाएगा वो 96 नहीं होगा।
96 my lord. Kindly,
एक सेकंड please।
I'll certify that from their document, my lord.
हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं इसी को 93 को ही देख रहे हैं हम, तो पेज 93 देख रहे हैं। अगर हम पहले अंक को 6 पढ़ेंगे
I'll satisfy
तो
my
पाँच
lord
तो
query.
आता है, ठीक है, लेकिन अगर पहला अंक 6 है, सॉरी 9 है, तो फिर उसके बाद में डैश के बाद में 2 बार 9 आएगा, तो इट विल बी 95 99
Lord, for a moment, kindly have their spiral for a moment.
है।
For a moment, to satisfy this query, kindly have their spiral.
हाँ पेज नंबर,
Kindly have their spiral.
हाँ हाँ पेज नंबर
Just tell me.
176.
Page 176 for a moment.
176।
My lord got it.
Just a minute। 176 yes।
Page 176 of their spiral, my lord.
जी जी क्या लिखा है उसमें?
Got the same document which I have.
हाँ ठीक है, आई एम नॉट डिस्प्यूटिंग।
So now, my lord, kindly come to page. They have annexed the Hindi type of this document. After 2 pages, my lord got it.
जी
After 2 pages,
हाँ यस।
the year is, my lord, 95, 96. That is their document.
नहीं वो तो टाइपोग्राफिकल है, चलिए।
My lord, that is their document. From their document, I am confirming it.
Why I am saying that? There is a logic behind it. That in 95 96 there was no post of secretary Nagar Nigam Jabalpur. That
So-
post is, see, please try to appreciate. Secretary Nagar Nigam Jabalpur was in a distant past. Municipal Corporation Jabalpur always had a commissioner.
So
municipal-
it is for the reason these documents are false, my lord.
ठीक है चलिए,
They have been created, my lord.
ठीक।
My lord had guessed the point.
ठीक चलिए।
कॉपी में टाइपिंग 95 99
हाँ,
और जो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी है
वो भी 95, 96 ही है.
55 66
हाँ ठीक है
But that is your Hindi translation. I am not done.
हाँ टाइपिंग है
चलिए, हाँ
G2 में है
हाँ ठीक है।
Now thereafter, my lords. Now, my lords, I have earlier also argued
जी
that 100 rabbits cannot make a horse.
जी
The entry, the mutation in the revenue records does not confer right over the property, my lords. Claim over the property.
That is-
It is a settled law, my lords.
हाँ, it is settled law जी
So what they have annexed in their favor is mutation, tax receipts. This is only for the purpose of collecting tax from whom they are collecting tax, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, they have all annexes the taxes receipts, my lord. If my lord would see for a moment, D14 of I'm just coming to it. Page 111 of my spiral, my lord.
ये 111 yes
That is their document exhibit D14. My lord got it, page 1111.
हाँ हाँ
If my lord would see the name, that it is apparent from the bare eyed, my lords, that it has been H को S किया गया है जनाब.
जी नहीं H को S किया गया है,
Yes, your honor.
आपका ये कहना है
जी.
जी जी
And thereafter, well, my lord, since my lords, the SN Chopra was not the owner of the property, my lords.
जी
He cannot execute a will, my lords. And the case of Naresh is that by virtue of will,
जी
that is of 99 years, my lord, that is of pertain to year 99, they become the owner of this property, my lords.
yes
To sum up my argument, my lords,
जी
there are three, four-fold, my lords. One is the degree was binding upon only two persons, my lord.
जी
The document cannot be read in piece and part, my lord.
यस
Every exhibit document has to be read in totality, my lords. Second, the record of mutations and taxes, my lord, does not confer any right over the property, my lords.
राइट
This is my, or I'll rebut, seek permission to rebut.
सुनिए रीडर साहब, इस केस के बाद में और सुन नहीं पाएंगे, बता दीजिए लोगों को, वेट ना करें। आई विल नॉट टेक एनी अदर केस। तो सिर्फ मोशन के जो मेंशन केसेस हैं उतने भर लेंगे, फाइनल हियरिंग का और कुछ नहीं लेंगे। तो फाइनल हियरिंग के लिए वेट मत करिएगा जी। मोशन के ना, हाँ तो वो लेंगे, मैंने बोला ना इसके आर्गुमेंट पूरे हो जाए उसके बाद में मोशन के 5 केस लेंगे, फाइनल हियरिंग नहीं लेंगे कुछ और जी।
हाँ, मैं again I'll rebut if anything new comes to me.
हाँ खरे साहब,
Civil suit in between Sardar Begum and HR Chopra is admitted document and admitted fact. There was a contract of sale in between Sardar Begum and
नहीं, इन्होंने
HR
4 बातें कही,
जी।
उनका जवाब दीजिए मेरे ख्याल से आप कि
और more चोपड़ा
एक ये उन्होंने कहा कि जो प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था वो सदारी बेगम
हाँ,
और
जी।
HR चोपड़ा साहब के बीच
जी,
में था।
जी।
देयर कुड नॉट हैव बीन अ सेल डीड इन फेवर ऑफ SN चोपड़ा। उन्होंने वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाया पेज 20 या 24 पर, उसमें 5 बार HR चोपड़ा साहब का नाम आ रहा है।
एक्सप्लेन करते हैं बस।
है? ठीक है, तो फिर ये SN चोपड़ा साहब के पक्ष में सेल डीड कैसे हो गई? एक बिंदु ये। दूसरा उनका कहना है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द डिटेल्स 95 की 65, इवन मिस्टर शर्मा अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट इज नॉट वेरी रिलेवेंट।
Yes, my lord.
टैक्स रसीदें और ये जो है आपके नगर निगम के दस्तावेज जो हैं इनसे टाइटल नहीं आ जाता।
नहीं आता।
ठीक है। तीसरी चीज उनका ये कहना है जो कि एग्जिबिट P6 जो उन्होंने कराया था, दैट वाज द जजमेंट एंड डिक्री पास्ड बाय मिस्टर सुरेश चौबे
Yes, my lord.
in 2009.
Nine, my lord.
Since there was no stay in the first appeal
Yes, my lord.
on that order, then that order which gives a finding that neither Shri SN Chopra was owner of the said property and therefore he was not entitled to write a will for the said property, on the strength of which Shri Naresh Chopra had filed a suit. Okay? How you meet these two requirements of the order passed by Shri Suresh Chaube, probably third civil judge or whatever he was.
Yes, my lord.
जी। इतना इनका आर्गुमेंट है,
Yes,
इसको
my
आप
lord.
बिल्कुल
इसको सम अप कर दीजिए।
Exhibit P1 is the judgment and decree in between Sardari Begum and HR Chopra.
P1 आपका, अब आपका कंपाइलेशन देखो, इनका देखो।
इनका देख लेंगे ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। Documents are not disputed, जनाब तो लगाया मैंने।
ये मैं कंपाइलेशन से देखूं।
अपने से देखना तो अपने से देखना।
अच्छा Okay. P1 page number sir 113 से
113
जी।
आपके कंपाइलेशन में।
जी।
जी जी
ये सर कंप्रोमाइज डिग्री।
हाँ ठीक है।
इसका मैं सर इसलिए रेफर कर रहा हूँ कि देयर वाज नेम ऑफ HR चोपड़ा इज ओनली HR चोपड़ा नॉट SN चोपड़ा, जो आपने आर्गुमेंट में
जी
ठीक है।
जी
Even in the print, they never say that HR Chopra alias SN Chopra. ये SN चोपड़ा वाली जो थ्योरी है, ये जो अविनाश चोपड़ा है, वन ऑफ द कारपोरेशन असेसमेंट रजिस्टर ऑफ 96-97 in place of SN Chopra. SN Chopra was written by clerical mistake
जी
in 96-97. I have filed the records in 60, 162, 65 डे लगा के आगे तक की फाइल थी पूरी। तो 65 से हमारे नाम एस एन चोपड़ा के रूप में आ रहा था। एक बार जब वो कॉपी करते हैं तो 96 97 में क्लर्क ने एस की जगह एच हो गया, लिख दिया। तो वो इनने फिर एक कहानी बना ली अविनाश चोपड़ा ने, तो ऐसे HR चोपड़ा आल्सो नोन एज HN चोपड़ा, उसी थ्योरी को ये भी लेके आ गए। मगर HN चोपड़ा HR चोपड़ा